Hello everyone, my name is Precious Lee. I'm here to tell you about social media apps that can help you grow your business and expand your reach and achieve your aims in terms of business, in terms of entertainment, modeling, or anything that you are into, and how you can develop yourself doing these things. I want to talk about Facebook. How do you grow your business using Facebook apps? Facebook has been for a very long time now, and it has over 500 and something millions of people on Facebook, and you can never tell who is your prospective audience. So growing your business on Facebook has ever been lucrative with the upgrade of Facebook, and also with latest tools that have been integrated into Facebook. If you can take your time and use Facebook very well, your business, no matter how small it is, it will grow and be growing little by little until you get to your potential heights. Facebook advert has been very, very good in terms of business promotions, and in terms of income generation. Facebook has been doing well among all social media. I will take Facebook as number one because it has it helps you to get mutual friends and mutual people that has the same business interest as you. The second the second apps I'm going to suggest for you is Instagram. We all know how Instagram has been very contributing to our development and growth with our social media influencers and content creators. We all know that Instagram is owned by the same person that has Facebook, and as you are growing your account on Instagram, it also helps you to reach potential real active members or users on Instagram. With the streetness of Instagram nowadays, you can probably boast of many people having sales on social media from different tools that have been integrated to Instagram. You will know that Instagram is a way of growing your business to reach your potential clients. How do you do this? By advertising. Just like Facebook has provided a tool for you to advertise or to promote your business, you can also do the same thing on Instagram, and also using Business Suite. Instagram and Facebook has an application called Business Suite. Only Business Suite can help you to integrate these two apps together, and it will save you stress. Instead of posting on Instagram today or still posting the same content on Facebook tomorrow, you can post the same content on Business Suite, and you can even put it on schedule. Maybe you want to release it tomorrow or next tomorrow. Anytime you want to release it, it will just be on your business schedule, and it will give you stressless way of promoting your business or brand. Whatever you are doing on Business Suite, you can even promote it, boost it up. It will appear on Instagram, also appear on Facebook, and it will help you to gain more revenue, promoting your business and letting you achieve your aims and desires. Okay, the third apps we are going to talk about is Twitter. Yes, congratulations to Nigeria, Twitter is back, and most of us that love Twitter so much, we know how much we have missed Twitter. So now, how do you grow your business using Twitter? Twitter is a kind of way of you trending your content by people helping you to reshare or repost. You understand? When you post something on Twitter, your fans or your people that love you will help you to repost. When they repost for you, other people from their own timeline will also see your post, and that will make you keep trending and keep trending. And another goodness of it is that just like Facebook and Instagram, you can also sponsor your adverts or sponsor your products or your business on Twitter too. So giving you more reach to your business and make you have more sales. You all know that Twitter is very, very lucrative these days in terms of influencing and in terms of telling people your mind. You understand? Sometimes Twitter is not talking about just pictures. Twitter is something of that deals on based on something that is trending daily, and for the ability for you to trend daily will give you the freedom to have more fan base, and it even help you to develop your business so much. So Twitter is also advisable for you to use to develop your business to a greater height. If I tell you say I love you, will you love me like my juju? Ìfẹ́ rẹ mú mi lọ́kàn gan, you don't turn me to olùkọ́. What have you done to me? What have you done to me, baby?